everyone. Welcome to the Ultimate AI Pipeline for XR Development. I am Dominique Wu, and in this unit plan, I will show you the course overview, structure, learning objectives, learning activities, active learning, rationale, suitabilities, theories, and resources. Welcome to the Ultimate AI Pipeline for XR Development. I am your instructor, Dominique Wu. With over a decade of experience in product design and Unity development, I've worked for companies such as Meta, Walmart Store 8, and have been involved in projects, events, and speaker engagements around numerous visionary tech companies. I've spoken at leading XR conferences like AWE and XR Women, organized Ships XR Hackathon, hosted over 500 XR speaker events, and authored a book, Spatial Design, Breaking the 2D Paradigm. I currently teach as an adjunct professor at Kenyatta College and serve proudly as an AI Fellow in the California Community College's Chancellor's AI Fellows Program. In this hands-on course, I will walk you step by step by creating your first XR app. No prior experience needed. You will master my AI-powered pipeline to design, develop, and deploy an immersive project from the ground up. Together, we will build a mixed-reality storytelling mini-game inspired by Edgar Allan Poe's poem, The Raven, from initial concept to final publication. You will tap into the power of ChatGPT to spark creative ideas, Trellis and Blender for 3D modeling, Anything World to animate characters, ElevenLabs for voiceovers and rich sound effects, Suno to compose your eerie, emotional background music. You will set up Unity for Meta Quest 3, build scenes using meta building blocks, and integrate assets generated from AI tools, then use ChatGPT for vibe coding, creating codes for UI, voice narrations, animations, and on-trigger enter interactions. By the end, you will publish your mini-game on SideQuest and invite your friends, family, and future fans to step inside your story. This course is your launchpad, a full circle end-to-end AI production pipeline for XR development in one place. You will leave with a polished portfolio project and the confidence to create your next spatial experience. Ready to dive in and bring your story to life? Let's get started. This course is structured for individuals with limited or no prior experiences in XR development. Within 2 weeks, students will complete 15 lectures paired with scaffolded assignments to create and publish their first XR app. The unit is divided into 15 short lectures that introduce key concepts and workflows, complemented by 10 assignments that require application of those concepts. Each assignment builds on the previous, ensuring step-by-step skill development. As for learning objectives, upon completion, students will design, develop, and publish an interactive XR minigame. They will effectively use AI tools for audio narration, leverage MetaQuest building blocks for interaction, and use GenAI to create game assets and narratives. The unit employs multiple activity types to reinforce learning, concise video lectures, scaffolded assignments, peer discussions, and a capstone project. Additionally, social media engagement encourages peer feedback and community building. This unit emphasizes active learning. Students will apply new skills in practical context, from AI-assisted brainstorming to code implementation and final deployment. Each step reinforces theoretical content through hands-on practice. The unit design aligns with established principles, scaffolded learning, alignment with industry tools, and sustained engagement through scaffolded assignments. The online format offers flexibility and robust support to accommodate a range of students' needs. The instructional design is grounded in constructivist and project-based frameworks, with attention to cognitive load. Students will navigate all levels of Bloom's taxonomy and both convergent and divergent thinking processes. Recommended resources include official documentation and active online communities. In summary, this unit offers a systematic approach to developing XR applications with AI through scaffolded instruction, practical assignments, and theoretical grounding. Students will acquire practical skills and produce a tangible portfolio project.